month or a bad month. So the goal is to always get them a month ahead. So let's talk about the formula for the month ahead. So because we don't have a consistent income and it averages, our goal would be to be a month ahead, right? So let's look at our expenses. So if our average low, we bring in $3,200 and our expenses total to $3,055. Of course, you could cut maybe your spending or whatever the case may be as needed. But let's go ahead and do the math. So we have $145 left over. So if we take 3,200 because that's, or if we take 30.55, this is what our expenses total to be a full month ahead. We would need 30.55 to cover our bills and to cover our variables. But let's say you just want to be a month ahead on bills, right? So what we're going to do is, all we're going to do is take this 22.95 and we're going to divide this by 145. It would take about 16 months for us to get ahead on bills with this type of income, okay? So let's do our other income. So let's say we bring in $3,600 and our expenses total to $30.55. That gives us about $545 left over. So now what you would do is you would take the $22.95 and divide it by 545. It would take roughly about 5 months to get ahead on bills and expenses. So of course, if we can always reach our high end goal, it will help us work on that savings goal. So that's how you plan to be a month ahead, you guys. So let's talk about how we can do that in our budget so we can see that savings growing if we do have additional income.